Hey everyone, I'm Yuli. This is Amber,
Hey.
and we're doing lesson 10, prep 2, question 2, which says describe what conditions or features allow things to become fossilized and explain why the fossil record is biased. I'll let you take it away.
Okay, so I just did some searching on how things become fossilized, kind of better understand it. And so it has to do like with the pressure on it and where the species are located, and then how like what minerals come in and if they can crystallize, and then that kind of hardens and that can produce some fossils. Um, yeah.
Uh, and I like some of the things that they had mentioned about species with harder shells usually are more likely to be fossilized than ones with just soft tissue. And then they also mentioned that, is the species more common? Was it in greater abundance? If there's a greater population of the species, it's more likely to be found in the fossil record. And I thought an interesting one was that if they're found on the ocean floor, if they're, a species that live on the ocean floor, due to the way the sediments settle in the ocean, those species are more likely to become fossils as well. Those are all good. And then let's see, what explain why the fossil record is biased. I don't know if you had any of those, or you want me to do some.
I mean, you can start off and then I'll add
Sure,
anything else.
sure. One of the ones I had was that it's biased in that um, just based on geography, like there are more paleontologists in North America and Europe, and so therefore you're going to have a you know more fossils being found and studied and researched because that's where most of the paleontologists are. Did you have any other ones?
Yeah, so it depends on like how abundant a species was and like kind of the interest in people studying them. So, like for example, fish are a lot less studied than the more popular ones, but like dinosaurs and things like that.
Oh yeah, the carnivorous dinosaurs like T-Rex and stuff.
All that fun
Um,
stuff.
which reminds me that another bias was the head hunting that was going on for a while, where paleontologists were more focused on finding like the heads of species rather than collecting the entirety of their bodies. So that also works as a bias against the fossils that are discovered and researched.
Sounds good.
All right, I'm gonna stop.